Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can create free emails using cPanel if you have purchased your hosting from Namecheap.com. So let's begin the video. First of all, you're going to open Namecheap.com and you're going to sign in to your Namecheap account. After that, click on your name and click on dashboard. So in my case, I have purchased my domain as well as the hosting from Namecheap.com. So the first thing that what we are going to do is to actually go to the domain settings of our domain. So click on domain list. Here is my domain wasay.com. I am going to click on manage. After that, click on advanced DNS. From here, scroll down and you will see the option mail settings. So first of all, we need to add a record here for mail settings so that when we are going to send emails using the mail that we will make using the cPanel of Namecheap, it will actually send and receive emails. So from here, click on the drop down and click on custom MX. The type should be MX record. The host is @ and for the value or mail server, just enter your domain name. In my case, it's wasaz.com. You are going to enter your domain name. For the priority, just enter 10 and TTL is automatic. After that, click on save changes. Once this is done, we can actually click on hosting list. From here, select whichever hosting you want to open. So I am going to click on go to cPanel because I will make emails for this particular domain and hosting. Now we need to do a couple of changes first before we add the email, because adding the email is simple but setting up some things first for proper working is important. Now we are going to scroll down until we see the email section, and from here we need to do a couple of changes. First of all, click on email routing. You are going to select your domain, and from here make sure that local mail exchanger is selected. In my case, it is already done. Once that is done, you are going to click on the zone editor. If you don't see the zone editor button here, you can just search for it. So I am going to click on it. Again, in the zone editor you will see your domain. Just click on manage. It will show you these different type of records which I have blurred, but you need to add one particular record if you do not see it in the list. So what you are going to do is to click on add record. From here you are going to enter your domain name. The type is MX. You will set the priority to 10 and the destination is again your domain name. So you need to add this particular record if you do not find it. After that, click on cPanel. We are going to scroll down again, and here in the email section we need to open email deliverability, and this is very important because if this is showing any failure, then your email sending and receiving will not work. Again, select your domain and click on manage. Here you can see I have the DKIM record and it is valid. Similarly, if I scroll down, the SPF record is valid and the DMARC record is also valid. If in your case it is showing error, what you need to do is to actually add these TXT records to your domain. So for that, you are going to open Namecheap, go to your domain list, select your domain, advanced DNS. Here under host records, click on the add new record button, select the type TXT, and then you will add for these different. So I have already added these values, that's why in my case it is showing valid, but in your case you need to copy the name, the value, and the type is TXT, and you need to add all these 3 records. Wait for 5 minutes, reload the page, and it should show valid. So this is very important. Now we can again click on cPanel. Since we have done all the prerequisite settings needed for email to work correctly, now we can actually add emails for our business domain. So we can actually scroll down again. We can go to email and we are going to click on email accounts. Now it will depend on which plan you have with Namecheap. In my current plan, I can make up to 30 emails. You can see I haven't made one, so it's showing 0 used. Now in order to make an email, just simply click on the create button. First of all, make sure the correct domain is selected. Now enter whatever email you want to create. So I want to create wasay@wasazaisource.com. You can name anything and you can set a password. Now alternatively, if you don't want to set a password, you can click on this button and enter the email or alternate email if you are making for other employees, so that they can set up their own password via the link. But for now I am going to select set password. Now I am going to click on generate, so it will make a strong password for me. I am going to actually copy it so that I do not forget it. Under optional settings, click on edit settings. Here you need to enter the storage space for each inbox you want to allocate. So you can select in MB, GB, terabyte or petabyte depending on how much storage you get in your plan. So I am going to select GB and I am going to allocate 1 GB per inbox. Again, it will depend on your need and your available storage. Automatically create folders and send a welcome email with instructions, because this email will contain your IMAP settings when you are going to set up your email for other clients like Outlook or Gmail. After that, click on create and you can see I have successfully created the email wasay@wasazaisource.com. 0 bytes are used and total 1 GB is available. Now you can open a new tab and enter your domain name, which is wasazaisource.com, in my case /webmail, and you're going to search for it. So it will open the cPanel email. As you can see, I will enter my email that I just created, then the password, click on sign in. So you can see in my case the email has been created. In your case it might show a page to select round cube. Just select it and after that it will open the inbox. And now you can see I have received an email from cPanel where they are showing me how I can set up this email on my basically Outlook or Gmail, because it's not easy for everyone to open the website and then log in. So in the next video I will show you how you can set up your cPanel email in Outlook on your Windows machine. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Anyways guys, this is how you can create emails in cPanel if you are using Namecheap. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.